Palladium against US dollar this week has rise in value starting the week here. We can see the price continue to rise and reaching 122.1.84 and then formed this bearish pin bar on Tuesday, which has triggered a sell-off where the price has gone all the way back down below 1185.35, below 1129, and we can see where it's currently heading. The week has closed as a bearish candle, and this was expected in the previous week analysis. I have mentioned that there is a possibility the price goes with the wick on the upper side, then returns back down. It was expected that the price will bounce from this area, from this resistance, and this has just happened. Monthly shows us that the previous month has closed as a bullish candle, forming a bullish breakout above 1081.63, and then also reached this area where the price has bounced back down. This monthly time frame suggests further rise in value unless we see invalidation of this bullish breakout, which means this month returning back down. If this candle returns back below, this will be a trigger for the sell-off, which usually means moving in the opposite direction of this bullish breakout, meaning going down. But if it stays above, this will just be a confirmation of this previous acting as a resistance, now acting as a support, which will have support to move higher. A weekly time frame currently shows me that the next stop is 1081.63. This is the next target for the next week. After that, I will see what happens around this support level. Will the price bounce back up, or it will make a bearish breakout going even further down? For that, it is the daily time frame that will show me much more clean information what happens around this support level. So the next week target is 1081.63, and from there I will see where the price will go, making a bearish breakout going down, or waiting for the bullish breakout going above this area 1129.20, which will suggest further rise in value, or going all the way to 1185.35. But before that, 1154. Next one is 1168. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.